Hi guys, this is a quick video on how to change the battery of your 2019 2020 Ford Fiesta. It is a very simple one, and as you can see right here, you have this little space. All you do is you look for a flat surface object or a flat object, maybe a coin that can go inside, and you twist and turn, and once it's underneath, you see this little rubber cover. You take that off and your battery can easily pops off. So all you do is you insert maybe a screwdriver or a nail or whatever into this surface and pry that out of there, and replace the battery by sliding it inside. And it is the CR2032 3-volt battery that it uses, and that's just it. Very simple. And of course, to replace the battery, you just place this um, rubber cover on top of the battery, and make sure that it is in the same position as you took it off, and just put this one back on top, and that's just it. I don't know whether you hear the car alarming outside. Let me stop that. Okay, and you're good to go. Yep. Thank you. Please comment below, subscribe, share, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.